Benji got a fancy camera, he don't even know how to use it. Hey, y'all go follow him on YouTube. It's RC Sinister. I'll put his link somewhere up there. We got Kyle, we got Trevor out today. We're gonna do some on-road racing in the garage. Unfortunately, it was wet, so we gotta deal with it. Hopefully, if we dry these up with these cars, we could drag racing here, but we'll see. We'll check Benji's setup out. Benji got his Typhoon out. He got his Red Cat. This week gonna be on-road racing today. We call this Garage Wars. And check Benji out. That's how he coming for the next season. He's trying to get some tests in today. Hopefully he can.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Ah, you can turn it around? Yeah. That's nice. You got two cameras on it? That's a nice camera, bitch. You got a fancy camera. Got the Lucy 8E out. We got the Proline MT. A Bio. There's Traxxas Slash, and we got the ECX out. What's that y'all getting ready? The Infraction?
Yeah.
With the GRPs on it. Uh-oh, we're in trouble, y'all. They're gonna be hooking and booking on us. Okay, we got the driver out here today. I told you, baby, that thing ain't no good. XLX2. Look at that thing. That thing nice. I like that. That's a custom paint job?
Yeah, I got that from Benji's brother.
Oh, okay. Okay, Benji, you know everybody, huh? You famous, man.
Huh?
Hey, Benji.
You wanna touch yourself with it?
Oh yeah, that thing got some power. Benji getting jealous right now.
Yeah, I can't do the drift.
Benji getting jealous over there.
Water.
Hey, different power, man. You got to retune that car.
Huh?
You got to retune that car.
Yeah.
Got Trevor out driving the Slash 4x4. I'm gonna give the Losi a run. Hey, Kev! Kev just pulled up. All right, we at the starting line. We got Russ on the Creighton. We got me on the Proline MT. We got Kev on the Typhoon. We got Benji on the Red Cat, and we got Kyle on the Slash 4x4. Oh boy, we just looking at carnage here, y'all. So this is the track right here. We're gonna go down to that cone, come around. We're gonna go down there to that cone, come around, and we'll do about 2 laps. 2 laps. All right, Garage Wars, y'all. You can get in the line, Benji. You want to be in the back?
I'll be in the back.
All right, all right. Drivers ready, set, go. Benji, that was you already? Okay, Russ, I see you. You ain't come to play today. Yeah! Charlie, we over here! see you.
Charlie's here.
I might need 3 of. Oh man, look at Benji's car. He didn't even get to go around one time.
Hey, I did have fun.
I'm at 50%. I'm good. I'm ready. All right. Benji totaled his car, so he's driving a Proline MT. Hopefully he don't total that. Drivers ready? No. Benji's over there saying no. I didn't like my cigarette yet.
Okay.
Drivers ready? Set, go. I'm out of the race already.
Oh, shot shot.
You broke?
Yeah.
You got spares, all right?
I got spared.
I couldn't even make a laugh.
I got better tires for this, just in case. I'm gonna have to turn it up. I don't got enough power. There we go. Ooh, who is this right here? You're the driver. I like that. You're the driver. You got me. You got me. What? Now watch out for me down there. Riley doing pretty good. He hit the nose for you. Nice driving, man. Wow, that thing is on a mission. That Riley is on a mission. It's Benji out. We got Charlie out. Charlie just showed up. He got something he was working on for the garage racing, so we're gonna see when he pull it out. I think he got 2 of them. You got Charlie, you got Kev, you got Benji. I ain't lie, that Rush is doing pretty good. I'm bringing out my son one in the next one. Millennium system in there? That's a Millennium system in there? Ooh, I like the suspension and everything. What's the matter, man? Good? Kev brought a jump out. Got a jump over there. Pretty cool ramp too. I like that ramp. I'm gonna have to take you out to bass session. We can use this. That's a sweet ramp. I like this ramp. You probably put it on the obstacle course and use it. We'll see. Nice, nice. Woo! Poppin' Willies, Charlie? Poppin' Willies? You slick.
That is no joke. The original battle.
His camera. All right, let's see if we can get around it.
All right.
See if we can get around the track this time. So we got Kev, Charlie, Russ, and then me. All right, we got 2 laps, fellas, going around. So ready, set, go. I didn't go around the corner. I'll take last. Charlie's out in the lead, y'all. Nice and slow, Charlie. I see you. Got Russ out of there. He's coming for Charlie now. It's the last lap. Last lap. Lord, Charlie went up. Oh, I'm back. No, we let Russ win. Nice one, Kev. That was nice.
Oh my God.
Did it stop? Did it stop? Oh, it would have hit that. Okay. Whoa.
I gotta go fix that phone. I was looking for the damn phone.
All right. we got the police in here, y'all. All right. Drivers ready? Set, go. Oh, he flipped me. The outest you're going.
Suspension is dialed until I break a shot.
Bend it back. You want some heat?
Yeah, please.
I don't got none. Here I come, guys. Here I come. That little corner down there got real tricky. No, it's all good. Yeah. Like E-Max. Charlie got this thing right on the money. We got just enough speed to get around there. Handling very well. Nice build, Charlie. Then we got then we got Russ. Russ did so much work to this after the last race we had in the garage. Oh man, he done run 2 races already. We gotta get him.
Dual brush.
Oh yeah.
Everything still works.
Yeah. Drivers ready? Set, go. Oh, he's out in the front. We had to take Russ out of there. He don't want too many races. I finally took one. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Nice, nice.